Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is episode 2 in the series of where we are trying to get a double from this lake. So far myself and Sam have fished it a few times. The biggest we've had so far has been £8. I've spoke to a few of the members here. I've also spoke to the local bait shop, and they have said that there are some decent sized doubles in here. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy the series. Hope you enjoy this video, and let's get straight into it. So guys, I've thrown out some ground bait. I'm just actually trying a different peg as well. Today I can see over to the left that there's quite a few sort of feeding on the surface because it's quite warm today. Unfortunately at this lake you're not allowed to like fish on the surface, it's just one of their rules. So I've bought a new net as well guys. The other one I think is a little bit too small, so I've managed to get a 42-inch net. Obviously in the hope that we do get a decent sized double. So I think there was a guy just over there that was on, but it's just been snapped off. So. Pretty quiet so far. Like I said, I think I'm on the wrong side because a couple of guys opposite have seen them have a few bites, so someone else is on again. Oh. Well guys, I think the chances of getting a double today are going to be very slim. we got one. So guys, after all of that, managed to get one. Not a double at all, just a little common. Yeah, just show you him there. Yeah, he's quite small. Quite small little one. There you go. But nonetheless, still managed to get one, so pretty happy with it. There we go, guys. Show him there. Just a little small common, so let's get him back. So I'm going to end the video there. It was quite a slow session. Had quite a few line bites. Managed to get one at the end. It was quite a small little common, probably only around about £3. So we're still yet to get the double figure carp from this lake. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to keep up to date with this series and our future content, then hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.